Create a new circle with the ellipse tool. Center the anchor point with the anchor point tool. Align it to the center of the composition. Make sure fill 1 is turned off. Increase the stroke width. Go to Add, Trim Path. Under Trim Path 1, End to 0. Press a stopwatch, move over on the timeline. End to 100%. Select the keyframes, F9 to easy ease. Head into the speed graph. Drag these handles to the left. Duplicate the layer. Name the layer Pi1. Duplicate the layer twice. Under the second layer's contents, under Trim Path, change 100% to 75%. Change the color of the stroke. On Pi3 layer, under Trim Path, change the end percent to 35. Change the color of the stroke. Preview the animation. Subscribe for more tutorials.